deep with the don't play, running out of unrest, going out of your mind.
Hey guys, it's Hoop here, bringing you day one of the Hoop with Heart Challenge. This day is all about sustained spinning. The move that I've adapted is for on body and off body and is a neat transition between the two. And I think it really is a cool move no matter where you are in your journey for hooping. So hopefully beginner and advanced long-time hoopers can find something out of this. So let me show it to you real quick. So I'm going to explain this move a little bit more to you before I start spinning around because you may find it a little difficult to hear me. Essentially the move is going from a lasso to prayer hands in the lasso and then bringing it down to your heart as you spin, and then it ends up looking like this. As you're spinning around, you can even bring your hands out like this. The main part is if you've never done sustained spinning or you're not used to on body, grab a big hoop. It'll slow down the movements. It'll help you figure out how this looks before. So I started using my 36-inch PE hoop when I first started sustained spinning, and that helped tremendously. Another tip is to look at something on your wall and just try to focus on it. So as you spin, you're looking at it the whole time. This will help you not get as dizzy. All right, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna start in your lasso. I like to start very slow in my lasso, so not like this, but just a very slow lasso that you think you can spin with. Then you can start spinning in the direction of the hoop. Put your hands up, and then you spin and bring it down to your heart. And you can go from here to here. Let me show it to you really quick one more time, and then I'll show you some really cool transitions afterwards. So you're gonna bring it up to your lasso, slow it down, bring your prayer hands up, spin, set, okay? From here, you can pop it up and down into the reverse escalator. You can round out and begin chest hooping, however you like to chest hoop. You can also bring it straight into breaks. So you're here and the hoop is flat. You can stop it, bring it around and break. All right, so that should help a little bit. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, please do. I'm happy to help in any way. If you need me to break it down a bit more, let me know as well. Otherwise, happy hooping. I can't wait to see you guys nail this.